Which of the following banks won the Asian Banker Achievement Award 2015 for technology implementation in the category of Best Outsourcing Project? ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Bank of India, Bhartiya Mahila Bank, or State Bank of India? The correct option is Bhartiya Mahila Bank. Bhartiya Mahila Bank has won the Asian Banker Achievement Award 2015. The award was presented to the BMB in the Technology Implementation category of Best Outsourcing Project New Bank. The award was received by Usha Anant Subramanian, the Chairman and Managing Director (CMD) of BMB, at a function held in Hong Kong during the Asian Banker Summit 2015. BMB is India's first all-women public sector bank and was formally launched on November 19, 2013. Its objective is to focus on the banking needs of the women and promote economic empowerment. Headquarters of Bhartiya Mahila Bank is located in New Delhi. Next question is, who among the following is the first woman chairperson of State Bank of India? Vijaya Lakshmi R. Iyer, Shubha Lakshmi Panse, Arundhati Bhattacharya, Usha Sangwan, Usha Ananta Subramaniam. One of the last bastions of male dominance crumbled on Monday when the government named Arundhati Bhattacharya as the first woman chair of the 206-year-old State Bank of India. Therefore, the correct option is Arundhati Bhattacharya. Third option is correct. That's not the only record. Bhattacharya is also the first woman to ever lead the Fortune 500 company in India and the only woman banker on that list of giants anywhere in the world. Bhattacharya, 57 years old, who was earlier managing director and chief finance officer of SBI, takes charge at a time the bank faces pressure of rising bad loans as borrowers find it difficult to meet their repayment obligations in a slowing economy. She also has to restore the confidence of investors who have dragged down SBI's share price in recent weeks because of this deterioration in asset quality. Next question is, the chairman of the National Disaster Management Authority NDMA is National Security Advisor, Prime Minister of India, Chief of DRDO, Home Minister of India, Director General of CISF. National Disaster Management Authority NDMA was established through the Disaster Management Act enacted by Government of India in 2005. The Prime Minister of India is the de facto chairperson of NDMA. It is the agency of the Ministry of Home Affairs. So the correct option is second one, that is Prime Minister of India, who is the de facto chairperson of NDMA. Next question is, the Article 14 of the Indian Constitution specifies the equality in matters of public employment, right to equal access to public places, right to freedom, right to equality before law, or right to social equality. Article 14 deals with right to equality before law. Equality means legal equality and not natural equality. Equality before law means that among the equals, law must be equal and equally administered, and therefore the correct of option is right to equality before law. So the fourth option is correct. The next question is, Bandhan Bank was recently been launched as a scheduled cooperative bank, scheduled local area bank, scheduled public sector bank, scheduled regional rural bank, or scheduled commercial bank. Bandhan Bank Limited was incorporated as a wholly owned subsidiary of Bandhan Financial Holdings Limited. Bandhan received the in principle approval of the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) for setting up a universal bank in April 2014. The banking regulator gave its final nod in June 2015. Next question is, under the Digital India initiative, the government of India has recently launched a health service called Social Endeavor for Health and Telemedicine, that is Sehat, in association with Narayana Health Services, Apollo Hospitals, Escorts Hospitals, Fortis Hospitals, or Max Healthcare. Minister of Communication and Information Technology and Minister of Law and Justice launched the government's latest health initiative called Social Endeavor for Health and Telemedicine, that is Sehat, at the Apollo Hospital in is expected to connect 60,000 common service centers across the country to common network and provide healthcare access to millions of citizens irrespective of geographical location on connectivity. So the right answer is second, that is Apollo Hospital. Next question is, Bihar government announced a ban on dash year old diesel vehicle on December 25, 2015 to travel in the capital Patna to overcome the increasing pollution in the state. 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 25 years, or 40 years. Here the correct answer is 15 years. Expressing concern over the alarming level of air pollution in Bihar, Chief Minister Nitish Kumar has directed concerned officials for banning 15-year-old diesel vehicles in the state capital, among other measures to improve the situation. Next question is, World Bank's 2016 ranking of ease of doing business report ranks India at 123rd position, 132nd position, 138th position, 112th position, or 143rd position. The right option is 138th position. So the third option is correct. India has been placed at 138th position among the 189 countries in the recently released World Bank's 2016 rankings of ease of doing business report. In this edition of list, India has moved up by 4 spots in the global rankings compared to earlier 134th rank in recalculated 2015 rankings. 10 indicators are business, getting electricity, dealing with construction permits, registering property, protecting investors, getting credit, employing workers, trading across borders, paying tax, in enforcing contracts, and resolving insolvency. The report is annually released. Next question is, recently which state government from 1st April 2016 has banned sale of liquor? Rajasthan, Bihar, Uttarakhand, Madhya Pradesh, or Maharashtra? The correct option is Bihar. Recently, Bihar government has banned sale of liquor from 1st April 2016. Bihar government has banned sale of liquor in the state from 1st April 2016. It was announced by Chief Minister Nitish Kumar on the occasion of Liquor Prohibition Day. This decision would make Bihar sixth state or union territory in the country. Next question is, every year World Toilet Day WTD is being observed on dash across the world. 28th November, 19th November, 12th December, 16th October, or 6th October. 19th November is observed as World Toilet Day. So the correct option is the second one, that is 19th November. It aims to draw attention of people around the world to raise global awareness of the daily struggle for proper sanitation, which in fact is a human right along with clean water. World Toilet Day has been initiated by the World Toilet Organization since 2001. United Nations General Assembly gave it a recognition in July 2013. Next question is, name the scheme approved by Union Cabinet to ease the financial crunch faced by power distribution companies. Uday, Sarvodaya, Prakash, Ujjwal, or none of these. The correct answer is the Uday. So the first option is correct. Under Uday, state governments will take over 75% of the debt held by their discoms as on September 30, 2015. Half the debt will be taken over in 2015-16 and 25% in 2016-17. The balance 25% of the debt is to be serviced through state government guaranteed bonds issued by the discoms. The government's Uday scheme to aid ailing electricity distribution companies discoms has a better chance of succeeding than the previous financial restructuring plan. Next question is, which of the following has become the first commercial state owned bank to issue green bonds? Yes Bank, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, ICICI, or IDBI Bank? The correct option is fifth, that is IDBI Bank. Yes Bank and Export Import Bank of India Exim Bank recently tested success launching what are called green bonds, a relatively new way to finance renewable energy projects. What are green bonds? A bond is a debt instrument with which an entity raises money from investors. The bond issuer gets capital while the investors receive fixed income in the form of interest. When the bond matures, the money is repaid. The issuer of the green bond publicly states that capital is being raised to fund green projects, which typically includes those relating to renewable energy, emission reductions, and so on. There is no standard definition of green bonds as of now. IDBI Bank has become the first commercial state owned bank to raise $350 million via selling green bonds where proceeds are used for clean energy projects. Next question is, Dash launched a co-branded credit card in partnership with SBI Cards and Payment Services commemorating its 90th anniversary. Axis Bank, HSBC Bank, ICICI Bank, Bandhan Bank, or Lakshmi Vilas Bank? The right option is fifth one, that is Lakshmi Vilas Bank. Lakshmi Vilas Bank LVB launched a co-branded credit card in partnership with SBI Cards and Payment Services commemorating LVB's 90th anniversary. The Tamil Nadu based bank had partnered with payment solution provider SBI Cards and Payment Services to offer its first Lakshmi Vilas Bank SBI credit card. Name an Indian origin from Singapore who has been conferred upon with Southeast Asia Right Award 2015. Lakshmi Narayan Subramanian, Jamaluddin Mohammad Sai, Dr. Amit Sharma, Dr. G. Ravindra Kumar, and Salim Ali. The right option is second one, Jamaluddin Mohammad Sali. An Indian origin writer from Singapore, Jamaluddin Mohammad Saleh, has been conferred upon with Southeast Asia Right Award 2015 on December 11, 2015. The award was bestowed upon him at the annual Asian Regional Award for Literary Excellence in Bangkok, Thailand. Sali, whose books are read in universities, he has written over 50 years and won several literary awards to his credit. He is author of over 57 books, 80 plays, and 400 and above short stories. Friends, you might have enjoyed this video. Then go to thumbs up button and click. Then go to share tab and share with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus and many more. And to get the updates right in your mailbox, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.